is my favorite show of the week. It's called Deal or No Deal. And this show is all about money. Yay! Marco Sabello! So he looks crazy. Doesn't he look crazy? That's how he gets on the show. Because he's crazy! Yeah! He's so excited. I'm excited for him too. He's great. Here he comes. He's trying to show all this. Nasrums. I don't know what he said. He took on the banker. Okay. The only thing better would be if I had some popcorn, maybe some beer, maybe some pretzels. Seven states! That's like 4 more than me. He wants to open a Taco Bell. I love tacos. I do. I'm so excited for him. Maybe they'll give him a Taco Bell. Those sure are pretty women. Look at that. Yeah. Now, now, now. Yeah! See, that's a 50. That's good. That's not too shabby. Ah, the gorgeous women are happy for him. Number 11. Okay. Open the case. Yeah! I'm so excited. 23. She's so pretty. $10,000, that's okay. They always say that. They're like, oh, you just lost $750,000. That's okay, because there's $400 left on the board. You can still get that. That's bullshit. That's bull. I didn't say it. I almost did, but I didn't. Oh, man, that's okay. There's still $75 up there. Number 12. That's all right. That's good. Yes, $300. We like that. Oh my gosh. Taco Bell, here we come. And there's the damn bird. Meh. Dorsey says, she's worse than